guys, it's Miss White. So I know some of you have said you've had trouble getting into Flipgrid, so I want to walk you through it. When you click into your assignment, you're going to see the Flipgrid link right here. You're going to get a different one of those for each day. You click into the Flipgrid link and it brings you to the website. When you're there, you're going to click log in with Google. Now, here's the thing that you guys can do. Because you're on your own personal devices, if you hit remember me, then you're not going to have to put your username and password in again. It'll already be there for you. Click on log in with Google. Choose the account that you want to log in with. Then it'll bring you to our daily check-in for today, where you'll see a video from me, from Miss Phillips, from Miss Johnson, and it'll tell you what you need to respond to. Like today it says, distance learning officially starts today. What are you most excited about and what are you worried about when it comes to online learning? You guys will then create your response by hitting this plus button. When you do that, it asks you, do you want to use your microphone and camera? You're going to hit allow. And then you're there recording. So you hit that record button right here to get it started. It's going to give you the countdown. And you're going to be good to go with your recording. Hope that helps.